I stayed up sneaking out trying to meet with some